My name is Ramesh HG, working as Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Aid College, Tiptur. Today I am going to explain the method of finding nth derivative of some problems. So find nth derivative of the following: sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Here you first write sin 3x, sin x, sin 2x. Sin 3x, sin x, you apply formula into sin 2x. So sin 3x, sin a cos b, sin a sin b formula minus 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So after simplification 1 by 2 sin 2x into sin 2x minus sin 4x sin 2x. So sin square 2x. Put second formula sin 4x minus 1 sin 6x plus sin 2x 1 by 4 into. So apply nth derivative. So we get this formula. Nth derivative get this formula. So 1 by 4 into 4 to the power of n or 2 to the power of n minus 2 sin of 2s plus n pi by 2 plus 4 to the power of n minus 1 sin of 4s plus n pi by 2 plus minus 6 to the power of n by 4 into sin of 6s plus n pi by 2. Cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Here also similar problem. Cos 3x, cos x, cos 2x. You apply this formula cos a cos b into cos 2x, cos 6x, cos 2x plus 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 4x. So applying nth derivative, we got this one. Find nth derivative of the following: e power minus x into sin square x, e power 2x into cos cube x and so on. E power minus x into sin square x. Sin square x, if you got formula 1 by 2, 1 minus cos 2x. Multiplication e power minus x minus e power minus x into cos 2x. So apply nth derivative. Here you have to find out r value for this one and theta value. So r is given by root of a square plus b square. R is the tan inverse of b by a. And hence yn is equal to this formula. E power 2x into cos cube x. Cos cube x is 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So applying y is equal to 1 by 4 into e power 2x cos 3x plus 3 into e power 2x into cos x. You apply nth formula. So here r is equal to root 13, theta is equal to 3 by 2. And r2 is equal to root 5, theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 4. So here the formula is cos cube x is 1 by 4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So multiplication is e power 2x into cos 3x plus 3 cos x. E power 2x into cos 3x plus e power 2x into cos x. Yeah, we have got two formulas. Here also find r1, here r2, theta 1, theta 2. r1 is given by root 13, r2 is given by root 5. This is because 2 square plus 3 square. r2 is 2 square plus 1 square. Theta is tan inverse of 3 by 2. Theta is tan inverse of 1 by 2. And simplification we got yn is equal to, so 1 by 4 e power 2x into 13 to the power of n by 2 cos of 3x plus n into tan inverse of 3 by 2 plus 3 into 5 to the power of n by 2 into cos of x plus n into tan inverse of 1 by 2. E power minus x sin x into cos 2x. So this is cos a sin b formula. Sin of x plus b minus sin of a minus b, a plus b into n, a plus b minus a minus b. So e power minus x sin of 3x minus e power minus x into sin x. Once again n derivative. So here r1 is root 10, theta 1 is tan inverse of 3, r2 is root 2, theta 2 is tan inverse of minus 1 minus 4 by 4. On simplification we get yn is equal to 1 by 2 e power minus x 10 to the power of n by 2 sin of 3x minus n into tan inverse of 3 minus 2 to the power of n by 2 sin of x minus n pi by 4. So MCQ problems. e power 4x into sin of 3x plus 2. What is the value of r? So r can be calculated by using the formula root of a square plus b square. So here a is 4, b is 3. A square is 16 plus 9. That is root of 25 and hence r is 5. So answer is 5. Value of r is 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 64. 36 plus 64. 100. Root 100. Root 100 is 10. So answer is 10. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 and a is 1, b is 1. So this is root 2. Root 2 is the answer for r value. So this is r value for 5 square plus 25, 50, 5 root 2 is the answer. So this is also same problem. Thank you.